Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Excel for Everyone. Today I will let you know about if statement. One of my friends requested for that, so I will work with three simple examples. If statement work on a condition like true or false. If your condition match, it will give you true, then otherwise it will give you false. So without wasting a time, we have to proceed. When using if statement to construct a test, we can use the following logical operator. First, equal, then greater than or equal to, then less than or equal to, or, and not equal to. My first example is very simple. In cell D3, value is 5001 and value in D14 is 4500. If value of, I have written the simple code like this. If D13 greater than equal to D14, then yes it is, or no it is not. So our value of D13 is 5001. If we do 3500, then value is less than D14. It is showing no, it is not. So how can we write this? We have to just equal to if logical test. What is our test? If our value greater than greater than or greater than to D14, then it is, we have to put inverted comma, it is close inverted comma, then comma. If not, then no, it is, no it is not. Just close the inverted comma and just close the bracket and just enter. What is the problem? Inverted comma is missing here. Enter. No, it is not, because our value of D14 is 3500. If you give value of like 6000, yes it is, then it is showing it is greater than this. So it is a very simple example. Then our second example is we have to go with not equal. Like I already prepared a data, because like task list, audit done, survey done, inspection done, list preparation, and final check. First delete this. We have to check if if our date column is blank, then it's so open, status open. If date is there, it's so close, status is closed. Very simple example. If C19 not equal, not equal, please be careful, not equal to blank. We denote to inverted comma for blank, comma, open, put it into inverted comma, open, otherwise close. Close. It is showing open because not equal to, we just change the value close, open, because we have to show if date is not there, it is closed. Just copy and paste till last cell, close, because in cell C21 date is not there, then it is showing status is open. If you fill with date like this, sorry, it is closed. So it is very simple. Sometimes you have to prepare the list, task list, to show the status is open and closed. Then you can use this example. If cell value not equal blank, you will denote blank with inverted comma. And our third example is little bit tough than first two. And in this example, I used the nested if. Like we have an example like unit quantity and price unit. If you will if you will buy one between one to 100, the cost is 100. If you will buy 101 to 200, then cost is 9. If you will buy 201 between 500, then cost is 8. If unit is 500 or above, then your cost is 6. Then I have just mentioned the quantity. You just have to give quantity here like 50. You are getting the result 500 because our value is between 1 to 100 unit. Our quantity is between 1 to 100 and the cost of this is 10 per unit. Then 50 into 10 equal to 500. How it is working? How it is working? Just test. I am making it text for you. Make it visual. What it is? Then you have to just if what I have done, I am doing here again. It, sometimes I don't know what happened with my equal sign. Then I copy this with here. Copy over quantity in C13 into if start your if nested if condition. First, if your value is greater than 500, then your unit cost is 6. Then again comma if statement, if your value is greater than 200, then cost is 8. 8. If statement, if your value is greater than 100, then cost is 9. Else if anything less than 100, the cost is 10. Just close the bracket and enter. You can check this. Our answer is matching. Then I am changing just the value of quantity. Quantity like 100. It is not working fine because it is showing 9 and it is showing 1000. I think first is correct. Then it is why it is showing 9 greater than, sorry, we have to like this. it is working fine now. We have to very careful when we are going with nested if in every step. So I think you will like my video, and please like, subscribe and share. It will make me happy and give me some boost up for to make new video. Thank you very much for my watching my video. Bye bye. Take care.